1. Tome, AI-powered presentation builder. Easily create compelling presentations. Enter a prompt, and Tome generates a complete presentation in under a minute. 2. Quillbot, the AI tool that enhances your writing. Quillbot, enhance your writing with AI. Generate text, improve language, and effortlessly paraphrase. Unlock your writing potential with Quillbot. 3. Descript, easier video and audio editing. Descript, simplify video and audio editing. Remove filler words, enhance recordings, and correct mistakes seamlessly. Streamline your editing process with Descript. 4. Human, AI-powered personalized videos at scale. Human, personalized videos at scale. Connect with customers on a personal level. Generate thousands of personalized videos effortlessly with BeHuman. 5. Cleanup pictures. Cleanup pictures, AI-powered photo editing. Effortlessly remove unwanted objects from photos. Achieve natural-looking results quickly with cleanup pictures. 6. Notion AI. Notion AI, boost your writing efficiency. Generate text, enhance writing, and unlock creativity. Maximize your writing potential with Notion AI.